Another package. This is something that I actually bought. They didn't send me this because I bought other hoses before. I'm gonna show you later. So I bought 3 of these. They are the same. I'm just gonna open one for now. The problem I had with the other ones is that they were very fragile. Hose you're supposed to pull, expect it to be tough, but that wasn't. So let's see what we got here. This is called the pocket hose. It's a silver bullet. Yes, this guy Richard Karn, home improvement expert. So there are basic instructions. I'm gonna go through it. This has this bulb here, which the other one that I had before didn't have. This is for the other end. So I want to show you first one that I have here on the side that it's really bad. It's the worst of it, actually. Let's go. So this is the worst one that I have. You're gonna see how bad is it. Let me take it here for the very last time, because when I turn it on, the water comes from everywhere. Look. Broken all over the place. So now here in the summer in Miami it might be nice, but obviously we don't want that. So let's take it off from here and let's put this one immediately. Oh, this one, we need the attachment, we need the other piece, or maybe no, this one goes here. There you go. Let's do a first test here. Pretty good. As you can see now, this one doesn't leak on the side, and my main objective here on this one on the side, to be able to wash cars here on the driveway, and it doesn't go all the way around, but oh, actually it does. Almost. I will need to turn the car around, but you get the point. And I can close it there. So this one is a good fit already. Let's go and check the other ones that I bought before and were really bad. Let's close it here, and we're gonna throw this one away. So I hope they can recycle that. I'm not sure about that, but anyway, so we can wash cars now for sure. So here's the other one, and I actually had 2 of these copper bullet, which look what it's gonna do. Completely broken. So apparently I pulled a little bit and it broke, but they're not supposed to be that fragile. I mean, a hose, obviously you're not gonna pull a truck or anything, but you will hope that they will last longer. So let's replace it now. So this is pocket hose now, not so. This is the same company, as you can see. So this is the pocket hose Cooper bullet, and this one, oh, it doesn't even have the name there, is the pocket hose silver bullet. So I hope this one is better than the other one, because as you can see it was a problem, but now I got it, so I'm stuck with it, I guess. What I like about this one, which I'm gonna keep, and I think this was an extra accessory, I don't remember. It's pretty cool because it has different settings of how to put the water out. So let's turn it on. For now it's not leaking there. Oh, I have to open it here. like that. So I bought 3 of these pocket hose silver, but I think I'm gonna use 2 on this side. Look how it expands immediately here. Looks like a snake. So let's open it. And here we go. Now we can definitely reach the cars and everything else in the driveway. Let's go. It has pretty good power. I can reach these plants in the back too, even the orchid back there in the tree. So I like it. I hope, again, this is better quality than the pocket hose copper bullet, or bullet copper, whatever it's called, because that one didn't last very long. So there you have it.